guys, it's me, Addison. So, today, my desk is a mess. And yeah, I'm going to be cleaning it. I just put my water up here. And yeah. Why did I just... Okay, I'm stupid. But, yes. So, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. So, I'm going to put on... I got this cute turtle necklace. I'm going to put it all in that. I'm going to put on this jar with my coloring stuff. Okay. This is me and my ex-Coyle necklace. So, the limit is her, but she was a biatch. She was swimming in like a dish. Oh, here's a Pokemon card. Oh. Okay. So, Pokey. Oh, I'm gonna get all my other Pokemon. Cannot find them all, but I did find some. Oh, there's some of them. They're all around my realm. That's literally, I'll probably get to find them. Hold on. I have a lot. They're in my closet right now. I'm not gonna get them out, but I got this one. Cost 50 cents. I think it's metallic. I got this one. 800. This one 50. This one 12,000. That's crazy. Like I have their ones. But anyway, so I got my recorder. I'm gonna play that super quick. I've not cleaned it for a while. Okay. I've been working on the Squid Game sound, so let me play that. 3, 2, 1. At the beginning. Don't mind, that's my little sister. Okay. Now quarter goes right here. Okay. I got my apologies. Just show you everything I have. Okay, so anyways, so first I'm going to put on my pop. It's a pear. I'll be back when it's sorted out. Okay, sorted out. Still a mess though. Like, nasty. But I did my makeup a little bit. Just put these two on. But yeah. This is what it looks like now. So first I'm going to order my bath bombs. I got, the first one I got Ocean Waves. Ocean Okay, and then I got rose petal. Now my spiral rider. I'll always stop. So I only have this in here. Just put it in there. So okay. Now via jets. I got this fidget spinner. That's on there. Comment down in the comments if a Rubik's Cube counts as one. But I'm counting it as one. I always feel like somebody's watching. I finished my book bag. Do I have my? I'm gonna go get my book bag. Okay, I just fell. But this thing, like 200 pounds. Okay. Don't know what's in here. Okay. First up, a book. A book. A book. A lot of pencils. Pencils. Okay. Letter pouch. Done. I don't know what the fidgets are, but I'll put a fact I have some for a math test. Bum, bum, bum. Anyways, I got 2 books. Bad Kitty and Liar Liar. And I need my little big pig. Oh, there it is. Okay. This is where I keep all my stuff. Oh! Yeah! Okay, you guys. Think. This. Okay, I think that popped. Nice lotion. But it's all in my backpack now. Okay. So, white stuff. My Infinity Cube. Oh, my stamps. Okay. That's all that's in there. I'll be back. I have to go get a wipe. Other wipes. So, now, clean, clean, clean. However, clean, clean. Clean, clean. It doesn't matter. I'm going. Okay, that's as best as I'm gonna get it. Yeah. Now I got another wipe just to wipe my desk. Okay. I found my snapper. Snaps pretty loud. Hold on. Snaps loud. It doesn't matter. putting stuff in here, my fingers can get in it. Then I'm going to sort it. Pop it. Okay. La la la. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now to restart my fridge. Okay. Let's go. Grab some strawberries and blackberries and other things that I buy, like Takis. Yeah. La, la, la. It doesn't matter. Okay, you guys. So, Abigail. Okay, stay right there. Hold on. Okay, I had to put my dog in the thing, majig. But, anyways, I'm gonna play with my sister just for a second. With you guys. La la la. It doesn't matter. La la la. It's so nice. What? I'm gonna. Oh yeah. Wanna go push? Go push. Woo. Wee. Look. La la. It doesn't matter. Me go in my swing. Oh. Skylar, say love you. Say Addie. I'll be back after I'm done playing. I'm back. So, me and my sister had such a fun time. But anyways, the one that empty fridge. Oh, it's not empty. I'm gonna grab some of these. Pop. Don't mind me, just want to. Don't mind me,
Don't touch it. Hey. Stop. Put in.
Okay, you guys. So,
Oh, did you see the smoothie book I got you?
no. Okay, you guys. Well, that's so cool.
Yeah. Really cool.
Nice. But, clearly this doesn't work. So I'm gonna get another one. Yeah. Okay, you guys. So I found these.
Sugar ridiculous.
So figured it would be cool to use for something. So, yeah. So I'm gonna get Papa, Purple, and that, and dark blue. I got my favorite colors. And yeah. Okay. So now.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Mommy needs more. Mommy needs more.
Okay, you guys. So now.
More?
Ugh. I'm gonna put.
Be right back.
W.
Ready?
Okay, so you guys. Love you. Love you, Skylar. Love you, Mom. Okay. Love you. Okay. I got Blackbeard. Okay. Now, we love talking. Trust me. I love them. So, I'm gonna. What? Some. Okay. Okay, so talking's bottom. The top should just be some Jaja. I'm gonna put some blue. Oh, and pink. I love pink. Blue, green, and pink. I want to get some more blue. My boy. I'm trying to get like you, my boy. Okay. So, got some talkies. Now I got German Man just and the last one should just be something nothing. Because it's just like this. Something else. Okay. Okay. Now straws. Trying to get like you, my boy. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on the bottom. Like one of these, just so it stays cool. This in the. Trying to get like you, my boy. On my way. Okay. First up, I'm gonna cut the tops off and just set them in. There. I'm gonna do it for a couple and yeah. Okay, now let's bring it off to my room. Okay, super fast because I'm running out of time. Okay, so I have like that, and just tape my Talkie Talks. What? Now I'm gonna show my favorite fidget. My favorite fidget, my favorite portrait. Okay, my favorite small puppet. My favorite monkey noodle. No, my favorite monkey noodle. Favorite infinity cube. Favorite pop tube. So, well, anyways, you guys, I've been doing this for a long time, so